Dillydale magazine is expecting pictures of birds, birds and more birds. And so far, all we have is pictures of your rear end.
I would move out of the way if I knew you were taking a picture.
We need to be taking pictures of birds. Where could they be?
Well, maybe if you didn't make so much noise.
That's it. My patience has run out. Time for my secret weapon.
And that would be?
My finicky flamingo fan pipe.
Do you really think that? Whoa!
Hold it, Pose. It's a great shot. Say cheese. One more. You weren't smiling. I also promised the magazine a picture of a great Cape buffalo.
Really? I mean, they're really big. You sure the magazine wouldn't just be happy with a picture of a gerbil, perhaps?
No deal. It's a buffalo they want. It's a buffalo they'll get. Time for my other secret weapon.
Oh, no!
My two-tone bamboo buffalo bagpipe.
Oh, well, too bad. Doesn't work.
Another great shot. Say cheese.
I can't.
I was talking to the buffalo. And now, to get a picture of the rare great white alligator.
Alligator? You didn't tell me we were looking for an alligator.
Not just any alligator, the great white alligator. Looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon.
Oh, boy.
An all aluminum alligator whistle.
Mr. Noisy, Mr. Noisy!
Ooh.
Oh, poopity poop!
Well, I don't think we're going to be seeing any alligators today, Mr. Bump. Mr. Bump.
No time to party. You got party.
For $20.